Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. So आज के वीडियो में बात करेंगे सारे स्टॉक जो हाईलाइट में थे, जिसका काफ़ी सारा हाईलाइटेड न्यूज़ आया, ऑर्डर आया और कैसा परफॉर्म किया मार्केट में. साथ ही साथ फ्रॉम टुडेज वीडियो आई विल स्टार्ट अनदर सेशन दैट इज वन स्टॉक एवरी डे फॉर वन रैंडम सेक्टर. सो बोथ टेक्निकल और फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करेंगे. सो टुडेज फर्स्ट स्टॉक ऑब्वियसली नो डाउट बजाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस, जिसका डेब्यू हुआ मार्केट पे और डेब्यू हुआ ज़बरदस्त 107%, तो पैसा डबल करके दिया. कमेंट करके बताइएगा इफ़ यू गॉट द अलॉटमेंट. आई ट्राइड बट आई डिड नॉट, दो आई वाज अ शेयर होल्डर ऑफ बजाज फाइनेंस, तो उसके हिसाब से भी नहीं मिला. नो प्रॉब्लम. सो आज लॉन्च करने के बाद भी बजाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस ऑलमोस्ट 13% तक ऊपर गया और क्लोज हुआ 165 में. सो यहाँ से आई थिंक 170 176 दैट शुड बी द पोटेंशियल टारगेट बिफोर इट स्टार्ट कूलिंग डाउन. सो whoever want to get into the stock, wait for a cool down period that will come, and then you can take your call. So apart from Bajaj Housing, another two stock debut happened. One is Kross, which is on the auto parts maker. Another is Tolins Tyres. So name suggests it's a tire stock. But इन लोग का भी काफ़ी अच्छा खासा IPO में सब्सक्राइब हुआ था. For example, Kross IPO का हुआ था nearly 17 times by the close. Tolins Tyre का हुआ था around 25 times. बट उन लोग का डेब्यू उतना ज़बरदस्त नहीं हुआ जितना हुआ बजाज हाउसिंग का. बजाज हाउसिंग का सब्सक्रिप्शन हुआ था ऑल टाइम रिकॉर्ड 63 टाइम्स. तो एक बार देखते हैं क्रॉस एंड टोलिन टावर्स का स्टॉक चार्ट. टॉलिन्स टायर का जो आईपीओ प्राइस रेंज था दैट इज अराउंड 226 अपर सर्किट अपर रेंज. सेम लेवल पे ही डेब्यू हुआ दैट इज 227, सो अराउंड 1% अप. लेकिन बाद में स्टॉक अच्छा खासा चला और क्लोज हुआ 239 पे. सो दैट इज अराउंड, इफ आई सी द परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइक, that is around 5.24%. So 241 or 248, that is something in coming days this particular stock may touch. So keep it in your radar. If you're already got the allotment, very nice. If you're trying to get into it as a fresh, then watch for those levels. Cross Limited का range था IPO का 240. आज जो डेब्यू हुआ that is below that level, that's 232. लेकिन अच्छा खासा पोटेंशियल और वॉल्यूम दिखा गया इसमें स्टॉक में, एंड इट रीच्ड द डे हाई दैट वाज अराउंड 270 और सेटल हुआ 260 पे. सो 249 एज यू सी इट्स अ क्रूशियल सपोर्ट जोन. सो अगर नया एंट्री करना चाहते हैं तो 250 विल बी अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. नेक्स्ट टारगेट शुड बी 272 एज वेल एज 282. सो दैट इज फॉर क्रॉस लिमिटेड. निफ्टी के बारे में बात करते हैं. मार्जिनली 27 पॉइंट पे क्लोज हुआ. जब सुबह ओपन हुआ था इट वाज ओपन अराउंड एंड रीच 25414. देन बाय 12 o'clock it reached the day low, that is 25353. Then again got the momentum due to the European news, and highest of today was 25418 final. Market sentiment long term, yes, is still bullish. There's no particular reason to be bearish at this point of time. FYI cash today, FYI was seller, 1635 crores sold out. DII was in buying side, 754 crore. So that's the FYI DII data for today. Dixon Technology, very good stock, today achieved another milestone, lifetime high 13990, ended around 8% up from the previous close. So what is the news behind it? So on 13th September, just before market close, this news came, and the impact is seen today. So Dixon Technology actually entered into a memorandum of understanding with Asus for manufacturing of notebook. So that's a great news for the company, and details suggest that Asus India Private Limited for manufacturing of information technology product like notebooks, subject to signing definitive agreement with Asus entries. So because of that news, Dixon Technology blasted today and get their shareholder 8% increment into their investment. Another stock, BAC Limited, today achieved new lifetime high, and it was up almost 20%, 529 rupees, and ended in 3431.80. So great achievement for BAC, and this stock just broken a year high, like 25th of April. It reached 3251, that got broken today. So potential is very positive, but what is the news behind it? Let's understand. So as per the latest development, SEBI has disposed of its proceeding against the NSE, Ravi Narayan and Chitra Ramakrishna, Anand Subramaniam and others in a 2019 case pertaining to the co-location facility, citing absence of sufficient evidence. So एक news चल रहा था, आज उसका clarification मिला, and that is something boosted BAC's share. Some order related news, Thermax, which is totally related with airport, highways, infrastructure, railways and real estate. On today's date, it got a order, and that get into BSE website. So the details is receipt of order awarded of rupees 139 crores 48 lakh from Maharashtra State Infrastructure Development Corporation. Next news coming from DRONACHRYA, that's a drone aerial innovation company. We'll see the chart and try to understand how it is performing. But here the news is about an order, and the details suggest it secured an export order for supply drone component for heavy payload logistic drone valued USD 240,000. So as we see, it was in downturn momentum, but today it got 9.44% up, and I think it is heading towards 178 now, which was a potential target, and that was the initial resistance also by 10th April. So that should be the new target for DRONACHRYA if it breaks this 160 level. So keep it in your watch list. Today it performed pretty well, 9.44% up. Next news for RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, that First Source Solution, very popular IT company, and it says that First Source collaborate with Microsoft Azure OpenAI to deliver cutting-edge digital transformation service globally. So it's a partnership, and obviously all the client from First Source will be happy to get the service. The new client also will join hand. So good news for First Source. Keep this company in your watch list. Next news for Shyam Metalics, it says it commences phase 1 of the Greenfield cold rolling mill at the Jamuria plant in West Bengal. So Shyam Metalics is one of the pioneer in this particular metallic ecosystem, and already it is in the lifetime high. So keep this stock in your radar, and it's a good news for this particular company. It will start producing much more from the current state. Next company and order is from Apollo Microsystem. It says the order received and lowest bidder status, and from where the order is coming? It's coming from DRDO. So Economic Explosive Limited and Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, worth of 4.70 crore. We are also pleased that company has been declared as the lowest bidder for JNC Kit by Monishan India Private Limited, a project of 72 crore. So both good news. One for lowest bidder, another already order received. So Apollo Microsystem, keep it in your watch list. Next company, Thermax, performing pretty well for last couple of days or week, and here the news is about an order of 516 crore, and that is something to supply 2 unit of 550 TPH circulating bed combustion boiler, and due to that Thermax performed well today in the market. We'll see the chart and try to understand what should be the potential target for this. So this is the Thermax stock. I have covered analysis in my previous video. I'll paste the link for your reference, but so far the target is getting another 200 points from now, and in last couple of days it performed pretty well, and from this support level it's already achieved 17.73%. so 5179 should be the immediate target for the stock, and it is getting into a W pattern, which I have already drawn here for future reference. It's almost doing the same, so let's see how it performs. Very positive news coming from Torrent Power, which says that commitment made by the company for 64,000 crore investment, and that reinvest 2024 with potential employment of 26,000. That's a great news for the company as well as the economics. So Torrent Power should be in your radar. So we have covered all the stock related news, and as I promised, from today onwards, one stock per day. So today's stock is Grindwell Norton Limited, which is part of Abrasives sector, right? So this is screener.com, and as you see, currently it's priced 2436. It is engaged with business of manufacturing abrasives, ceramics and plastic, providing IT services. So a lot of business model, but mainly it is for abrasives and ceramics, and it is a subsidiary of Saint-Gobain. So Saint-Gobain glass, that Saint-Gobain is very known to most of us. It is one of the subsidiary of that company, and Saint-Gobain is from Paris. Okay, so now fundamental things. Current price we discussed 2436, which is almost 6 times than the intrinsic value. Market cap, very nice, 26,920 crore. Stock P, the price to earning is 70, whereas industry P is 72. So very good. Stock P is less than industry P. We'll see the competitors also. Debt is negligible, 82. We can ignore that. Return on equity, very nice, 19%. Sales growth, marginally 6%. Okay, face value is 5 rupees. So there is a potential of split and get it down. So peer comparison, we can see Carborundum Universal, that is on the market cap little higher than Grindwell Norton. Then we have Wendt and Wellcast, that is much lower in the market cap. So major player is this two, and side by side if we compare the industry P and the current P, Grindwell Norton is in a better shape. CF operation, that is cash flow, very important, 367 crore. And debt we discussed already, and ROE 17% in 10 years, and current year is 19%. ROCE is 24%. So that's the major data point for Grindwell Norton. If we see profit and loss, sales 2020 it's 1580, Now it got increased in March 2024 to 2687. Not double, but a good amount of increment. And operating profit was 265 with the data. Now it become 520. So it's almost double, right? Profit before tax and net profit is 184. Now it becomes 384. So good increase in all the segment from profit and loss respective. Promoter is 58% throughout the years. FII a little bit increment from 8.31 to 8.63 in last quarter, which is good. And DII also increased their stake from 15.9 to 16.14, and public little bit reduction, that's not a problem. But overall promoter is having the parent stake land share 58.04, and FII is increasing. That both are the good news for Grindwell Norton. Let's see the technical chart. So this is the daily chart for Grindwell Norton, and as we can see, it is in the consolidation phase for sure. A major support in this particular 2408 level, which is currently trading near to that zone. So currently, if you want to buy it, good time to buy. But if you want to wait and you want to break this 2490 resistance kind of, then it will be potentially a good candidate to reach 2570 and gradually 2650. So I want to buy this stock. So let me put this stock into a model portfolio. So as you see, this is a model portfolio I'm starting today. So Grindwell Norton, one quantity, today's price and with a close price. So let's see how we're going to perform in the coming days. We'll frequently check this. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.